Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. This is going to be a very short commentary on trading education about the topic of that 90% of people loses money when trading and only 10% of people actually makes money in trading. And that is very true. There's studies and statistics that confirmed that indeed 90% of people in trading lose money and only 10% can actually make profits in a consistent way. So if it's so difficult that only 10% can do it, why would you even bother getting into this business, right? Well, my answer to this is that this applies to not only to trading, but to anything in life, any goal you have in life, whether you want to lose weight, or maybe you want to get fit, or maybe you want to start a business, or maybe you want to save money. Any goal or aspiration that you have in life, we all have these dreams and these goals, we all do, but reality is only 10% of the people will achieve their dreams or their goals. So it's not only in trading, it's anything, losing weight as an example. Like 90% of people won't do it, they just won't be consistent dieting or exercising. So you can apply the same rule on trading. Now, the 10% that's actually making money in trading are actually making a lot of money, because think about it. If 90% of people is losing money, it means all this money, it's not lost, it's not vanished. It's going into the other 10% of people's accounts. So it's a lot less accounts to, for all this big money that's being lost, that people is losing. So the 10% is actually making a lot of money. That's why it's very important to, well, the most important thing is being consistent always with the plan. And second, it's always going with the trend. Never try to go against the trend, buy the dips when we are downtrending. All this stuff that most people is doing, 90% of people, I mean, let's be honest, how many YouTube channels have you seen people saying they have been promoting Ripple, for example, since the beginning here, buying all the way up and then holding, and they're still holding it, and they're still like, it's their biggest position, and and they continue to buy the dips when it's very clear we have been in a downtrend forever. Like, this is the daily chart, so every candle is one day. Look at how many days going down, how many people is holding through this. All this money that they are losing, this is the money that's going into the 10% of people's accounts. Okay, there's a few channels, the Crypto Sniper, for example, BK, there's few channels that they don't go against the trend. They only trade when the trend is up, when it's uptrending. But it's only a very few people, and these few people, I include myself, it does not matter if if we get it right or wrong how many times. What matters is that you are going with the trend. You don't go against the trend. When you find yourself in a downtrend, you let go as soon as possible. You get out of there and you find something else. You don't hold through this. Look at Ripple. How many people is holding onto Ethereum? This is the daily chart again. These one-day candles. Look at how many days, and people still holding Ethereum. They've been buying here all the way up, and they're still holding through this. All this money that these people is losing is the money that is going into our pockets. I saw Ethereum at the top here, and then in the middle of this here, I have posted this on Estimate the day that I was doing it back here. So same with BK, for example, Brandon. He started doing videos for Ethereum. Don't believe the hype, just sell, just sell. So all these people that's holding through this is giving us their money, So that is one of the most important things. Only if you're gonna go long, only go long in uptrends. And when you see a downtrend, just get out of there, just sell it. Just sell it into USD Tether, or for fiat, whatever, but don't hold through this. Litecoin, another one. This is the daily candles. Look at this, Litecoin versus Bitcoin. Why would you be holding through this? All these channels that you see, these people hyping Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, all the others, these are the 90% of people that is losing money. And the few channels that actually that actually only show videos of coins that are actually uptrending and showing trades in an uptrend, these are the few people that's making all the money that the other 90% of channels are losing. So don't let, appearances fool you. This is just reality. Numbers don't lie. You can't be holding on to something just because you're in love with it. Just because you're in love with Litecoin, you're going to be holding until you're broke. That is not a good strategy. So if you go only with the trend and you only trade up trends, then of course you're gonna get it wrong a lot. But it doesn't matter. You will still not be losing all this money. You will, even if you get it wrong half of the times, if you set your stop loss short and your profit target to something realistic, every time you win, you will be making more money than the money that you will lose the times that you lose it. Even if you are not a good analyst, being a good analyst, it's not even that important to make profits in a consistent way, in the long term. So that was all for the quick video. I hope this is clear, guys. And if not, please leave your comments down below and I will try to answer. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.